Well, nothing makes sense. What the fuck is this? They say I made it to America. They say I made it to America. Yo, we rolling, yeah. Aight, it's real, no filters. Straight out the evening city, Chicago, motherfucker. I ain't know America, ain't know the right way to rap. No dreads on my head, I ain't never touched crack, never sold a record. No deals, no plaques, and let's be real, ain't nobody famous heard my tracks. My crew ain't no boy band, we don't dance for the crowd. This underground pressure, turn it up, play it loud. Headed out late, snow crunch under my feet. Got a mic in the line, a couple drinks got me free. Chicago nights, 21st century code. People move fast, but the time feels slow. City so heavy, like it don't even breathe. And I'm somewhere else mentally, like I don't even leave. Girl on a bike, headphones blasting that yay. Lakeshore wind while she ride through the day. We just vibed all day, let the cigarettes burn. Watching time fade out, waiting nothing in return. Down to the L train, underpass vibes. Some dude off the bottle still singing like life. That's real hip-hop, not the trends they chase. Why they dance to the bass? I was drunk in the place. Took a girl home slow, no rush, just glide. That's how it was then, that's how it still ride. Call it what you want, it's that real life talk. Monday hit again, man, fuck it, we walk. I caught that flame, next time I break doors. City too big, got extremes on both shores. One side Porsche, clean suit, big goals. Other side cold bench, someone losing their soul. And how you pull truth out of city this numb. My rap just, damn, he really went off. Nah, free snap. I caught that flame, next time I kick it wide. City so massive, got two different sides. Luxury rides, while the struggle still cries. One man eating good, one just trying to survive. My words fall heavy, like rain on the street. From my head to my toes, feel it all in the beat. What I got, they would take, no second thought. Young kid in the city, just plotting his plot. Some stuck in the kitchen, some lost in the pill. Everybody got a way just to cope, just to feel. Close my eyes, had a dream so vivid. Some legend told me, your sound, you different. Said my hip-hop raw, said it came from the soul. Woke up, empty room, still felt in control. City felt dark, summer raining again. Lights in the distance, money calling some men. Old school CDs, cheap drinks, late nights. Thoughts in the music while we chasing that life. Independent grind, yeah, we building our lane. Homemade sound, but it still bring pain. Cap on my head, cross hang on my chest. Even in Chicago, yeah, it feel like a test. Streets, buildings, stories in the wall. System stay tight, but we been through it all. Ash on the table, TV glow low. Beer in my hand while the real ones know. Some got money, but they life still trash. I'm good every day like I already cash. World full of temptations, lights and lies. Different paths when you look in their eyes. Alcohol running through blood, smoke in the air. Sky above heavy, but I still don't care. Feet on the ground, whole world in my view. Chicago nights, yeah, I'm speaking my truth. Alcohol in my blood, smoke in the air. Sky above my head, whole world right there. That's that city sound, raw beat, no healing. Pain in the rhythm, every word got a feeling. Yeah. Big city life, yeah, we live in that cold. Diving deep or get lost in the flow. Big city life where the cold hearts grow. Make a little money, then you spend it real slow. Big city life, yeah. Big city life, yeah.